Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam tagasngi. Myntri Rangbah ka jylla konrad ki sangma ni kasngi palai ulahir jurip igi project badang Myntri shat menta hasor Tura bar ki jaka pamarjan ba kentup ka Tura Medical College kabla sateng las lembha kasnong dol degree. Haba bishar kam halor ka jingyad ka jingtei berki officer ka tunat ka kot ka kya u deputy commissioner ka West Garo Hills berki he jong ka company ba Myntri ya ka project. Myntri Rangbah ulapan pau ba ka jingya jong ka jingtei ka long ka basuki bha ya ka bala pinstant no dang shen. Ka jingtei jong ka civil work jong ka college ka deban dep no hapo ubnai jilliu naitung usnem banwan. Ngikirmen ban pendep no ya ka jingtei ban pinsdang no ya ka medical college. Ka jingpen kre ban penbut ya ka jingthia Tura civil hospital ru kansas dang no shen benram Myntri Rangbah. Myntri Rangbah ula batharu yo deputy commissioner Jagdish Jelani ban pelong ya ka jingyalang bishar kam baman kapor bat ka company ba Myntri ya ka project bat ban pentiknaru ba ka college ka ban depno hapo usnem banwan. Hagani kasngi Myntri Rangbah ula letru ban jurip ya ka jingtei jong ka Tura Youth Convention Center kabarang ya chat ha ka jingtrei kabala penyeng hapo kasnong dokopri batru ya ka track bat field stadium. Haba penpau ya ka jingkmen halor ka jingyad ki jingtei bat ya dei ki kamile kailem ki samla u konrad ulong ngikmi lenti bahapo iway point sunsnem ngin saplino ya ka stadium bat ka convention center kini ki jingtei kinong ka jingkerku ya ka sarkar Tura bat ka jylla baro ka we namar ki jat jingyele kai ba pher bat ki limpung yele kai ka jylla bat ka ri. Kendai ki bansala pelong hatura hakis nemban sowan.
We are here in Doldigri right now to check the work of the Tura Medical College, and of course the work is going at a much slower pace than expected, but it has picked up in the recent past. We are seeing work going on now in full swing, and we expect that the civil work of this section of the phase that is been allotted, we expect that we should be able to complete this by 2024 in the second quarter, end of first quarter, second quarter, which means around June, July, we should be able to see the civil work complete. And in the meantime, the process of also expanding the work in increasing the number of beds in the civil hospital also will start. And at the same time, to ensure that this is managed well, the preparatory works for the management and the running of the particular medical college will also be reviewed, and necessary action will be taken. And I'm hopeful that very soon we should be able to complete this infrastructure and start the medical college also very soon.